Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best pastry cutters is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in the kitchen, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, a good pastry cutter can elevate your creations from good to amazing. From perfectly flaky pie crusts to tender biscuits, this tool is your secret weapon for achieving that ideal texture every time. So, let's dive in and explore what makes a great pastry cutter and how it can transform your baking. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender, Professional Pastry Cutter. This dough blender is designed for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar. It's perfect for making fresh, homemade baked goods. The sturdy metal blades are twice as thick as others. Achieve better texture and taste in all your baked goods. This tool helps you make flakier biscuits, pie crusts, and more. It quickly mixes butter into flour for a better end product. This dough blender cuts through cold butter beautifully, making it a must-have for bakers. It's more effective and easier to use than a fork or potato masher. You'll get better results. The pressure-absorbing handle prevents sore hands and wrists. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic and easier to use, especially for those with arthritis. You can chop fruit, soft vegetables, or nuts. It's also great for mashing baby food, making salsa, or chopping eggs. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. What we like? This pastry cutter is built with heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and efficiency. It features a comfortable soft grip handle, making it easy to use for extended periods. If you are looking for a versatile tool that can handle more than just butter, this is the one for you. What people say. This is of excellent quality and much more heavy-duty than the one I had for over 20 years. I got the larger of the two sizes offered and it fits my hand without touching the metal parts at all. The handle is round and large enough to get a good grip. The steel cutting part is very strong and easy to clean. Works just right, it cuts cold butter into flour mix in about 5 minutes. Washes up easily with a soapy brush. Good and sturdy. Item seems well made, screws are connected well. I would recommend hand washing only because I'm sure over time you'll have problems if it's gone through the dishwasher several times. It is plastic but soft handle, not would like my last one that lasted forever. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Dough Blender, Stainless Steel Cutter. Tired of sticky hands and long baking hours? This tool is designed to make your baking easier. It helps you blend, cut, or mix ingredients quickly and with minimal effort. Forget sore hands and wrists. The blender features an anti-slip, rubber handle for a soft grip. It's perfect for all hand sizes and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. You can blend dough like a pro without getting tired. This pastry cutter is built to last. Its stainless steel construction is rust and corrosion resistant, making it a perfect baking tool for years. The heavy-duty design ensures it won't fall apart, even with constant use. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply toss it in the dishwasher after you're done. This cutter will quickly become one of your favorite kitchen essentials, helping you create lasting memories. Don't limit yourself. You can use it as an avocado masher, or for crumbling cookies, chopping fruits, vegetables, or nuts. It even works great for smashing ground beef. The possibilities are endless with this versatile tool. What we like? With its 5 thick stainless steel blades, this dough blender makes blending ingredients quicker than ever. The anti-slip rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you like a tool that's both efficient and easy to clean, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works well. Very durable. Does amazing job of cutting. Nice and sturdy build as well. Very sturdy and easy to use. I was so pleased how easy it is to cut butter with this product. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Dough Blender and Cutter. Tired of lumpy dough? This tool makes it easy. Its stainless steel blades effortlessly cut butter and shortening into your dry ingredients, ensuring a perfect mix every time. The blades are designed for precision. This allows you to quickly and evenly incorporate fats into your flour, creating the ideal texture for your baked goods. The handle is designed for comfort. The broad, soft, non-slip grip absorbs pressure, making it easy to use for extended periods without hand fatigue. Cleaning up is a breeze. This tool is dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your creations. This product is built to last. It's a reliable tool that will quickly become a staple in your kitchen, helping you create delicious treats with ease. What we like. This dough blender features stainless steel blades that effortlessly cut through butter and shortening. The broad, soft, non-slip handle absorbs pressure, making it comfortable to use. If you are looking for a simple and effective tool that is easy to clean, this is a great option. What people say. The sturdy, sharp blades cut through cold butter easily, and the comfortable handle makes it easy to grip without straining your hand. This dough blender is perfect. The blades are well made and sturdy. Quick and efficient. Definitely recommend. Easy cleanup. Number 2. Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter Set. This pastry cutter set includes a dough blender and a bench scraper. They work together to help you achieve better baking results. This pair is perfect for working with dough with minimal handling. Both products are made with commercial-grade stainless steel, so they're sturdy and durable. The dough blender's blades are extra thick, and the scraper blade is firm, making it easy to cut through dough. Get better texture and taste in your baked goods. The dough blender quickly mixes butter into flour, leading to a better end product. The bench scraper saves time with less sticking, and its measurement markings help you make uniform pastries. The dough blender can chop fruits, vegetables, or nuts. You can also use it to mash baby food or make salsa. The scraper can cut brownies, dough, and cookies, scoop up ingredients, and smooth frosting. Built to last and dishwasher safe, the handles are comfortable and absorb pressure. This design helps lessen hand and wrist fatigue, making it easier to use. What we like. This set includes both a dough blender and a bench scraper, offering a dynamic duo for your baking needs. Both tools are made with commercial-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability. If you are looking for a complete set that simplifies your baking process, consider this. What people say. The pastry cutter is sturdy and well-made. It cuts through cold butter easily. The blades are sharp and effective for cutting butter into flour. Number 1. ALLTOP Stainless Steel Baking Tool Set. This set includes a dough blender and a bench scraper. They improve your baking performance. You can blend ingredients and measure with ease. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this set is designed for lifetime use. The blades are thicker than others, and the scraper can cut through cold dough easily. Enhance the texture and taste of your baked goods. It helps you achieve flakier biscuits, pie crusts, and more. The tools mix butter into flour perfectly. You can use the dough blender for chopping fruits, vegetables, or nuts. The scraper cuts brownies, scoops ingredients, and smooths frosting. This set is dishwasher safe and designed to last. The comfortable handles ease hand fatigue while offering superior functionality. What we like. This set combines a dough blender and bench scraper for improved baking performance. Both items are made with high-quality, durable stainless steel. If you are looking for a set that offers both functionality and comfort, this is a great choice. What people say. The pastry cutter is sturdy and well-made. It cuts through cold butter with ease. The blades are sharp and efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.